We're going to start looking at some areas. Just going to do a little refresher. So we're going to start with a rectangle. This method could be equally used for a square. So I've got a rectangle here that is 4 by 7. How do I work out its area? Well, the intuitive way to do it would be to draw in all of the little squares that are 1 by 1 and then count them. And I've actually done that. So I'll flip this over and we can see that along the bottom, which was 7, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. Along the side, where it was 4, I got 4 squares. But more than that, I see that for each of these 4 squares I've got going up, I've got a row of 7. So I could, instead of just counting, go 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 4 times 7. Now, in your textbook, they'll say length times width. I prefer breadth times height, because that means it's more consistent with the other shapes we're going to be looking at. So I've got an example here. How do we use it? Well, here I've got a breadth of 14, a height of 5. So my area is going to be 14 times 5. I put that in my calculator and I get 70. And whatever the units, so if this was centimeters, then that's going to become centimeters squared, because a centimeter squared is those little squares that make that up.